How to add or change your profile picture on Twitch, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Twitch. Now this is the home page. After that, go to the top corner right here and click on your profile like this. Now click on your profile again and go to edit profile here in the top corner. And now click on your picture right here and choose if you want to take a photo live or choose existing photo from gallery. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end.